I've got something really exciting to show you. I mean, like, really exciting. I don't even want to explain. Maybe I'll just let the thumbnail do the talking. Right, I've got a nail here that I've just created. We do have videos for marble nails if you want to have a little look at them. What I'm going to do is create a 4D, 3D, whatever you want to call it, flower with a stone inside that actually spins. It's a fidget spinner rose nail. This is a new product that we have. It's absolutely out of this world. I am in love with them. So when we got these, I thought, I really love them. I love them even on their own. I think they're beautiful, but I want to make it even better. So let's make it bigger by creating a flower around it. Okay? I've not done this before. This is an experiment. We like to experiment. So I'll need some backing paper from a form. You'll definitely need tweezers for this. Now when we start to create the petals, they're going to sit here on this side. They're not going to touch this part that spins here. They're just going to touch this top section.
Ah. So the whole thing's going to spin.
The whole thing's going to spin.
I thought that was just going to be the flower and then that would spin in the middle of the flower.
No, the whole thing's going to spin.
You're crazy.
Crazy. The colour that I'm going to use is Raspberry Bloom, and we're also going to use a little bit of metallic pink. You'll need a 3D brush for this. I'm using High Speed Liquid. I like using High Speed Liquid because it sets up a little bit quicker so I can start to mould. So I'm going to double dip this. I'm going to go into the pale colour first and then into the pink. I'm going to keep the paler colour towards the outside. Start to pat it just so it starts to blend the two colours. And then you're going to work this into, I would say this is a D shape. I'm going to do another one. Making sure that the paler colour is on the outer edge. So don't let it all mix together. It's really important to keep it on one side. And again, like I did before, I'm going to tap, tap, tap it. And that'll help it mix. Make sure you keep your brush nice and clean. See it over. A little bit of clear acrylic, not clear, sorry, that's transparent pink. You can use clear if you want. Just so I know that when I pick this up, it's going to stick to it. It'll have more difficulty sticking to metal, if that makes sense. So you're going to roll it off the brush and then squish it into that acrylic that you've just put on. Make sure you keep it moving so you know you're not clogging up that sort of section that spins. You're going to fold this one over. So it needs to be wet when you stick on your petals. Just got another bead, getting that one going while this petal starts to settle. Don't worry about your petals being an identical shape. You don't want them to be identical because it will look more realistic. When you place them on, you do need to overlap them slightly. So overlap each petal slightly. Once you've done that row, we're going to start building and doing another row and work our way out. We're going to do this like a cabbage rose. We have got a video of how to do a cabbage rose, a 4D cabbage rose. And it's the same principle, but we're just using the spinner as our centerpiece.
Yeah, because normally when you do a rose, you work outside to in, don't you?
Yeah.
Where with the cabbage rose, it's the opposite.
Yeah. And we're going to go in between each petal. So where they meet, so our next one will go here. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a little tiny bit. Basically just roughening it up a little bit. So I haven't made a massive ditch. I've just made a little one. So what will happen is it'll sit there. And the reason I did the little sort of dent is so the acrylic can sit inside that and grab on to the metal. I'm going to use crystal clear. You want, you know, a medium to dry bead. Place it where, roughly sort of where it's going to be. It will squish out. And then you're going to get your piece. Place it on. And all the excess you're going to scrape away with your brush. And I'm just going to fill, well, not sort of filling, just sealing the metal piece without stopping it from spinning. And just seal with a little bit of brush on glue. You want to keep it spinning while that dries. I'm going to finish off with cuticle oil around my skin and also around the mechanism underneath. We're just giving it a bit of speed.
It doesn't go too fast with all that oil on it,
might take off.
Might just burst into flames. Don't go out in a strong wind.
Right, here we go. Are you ready? Oh my God! Is that not the best nail you've ever seen in your life? That is the best fidget spinner I have ever seen. That looks amazing, doesn't it? How beautiful is your nail? Yeah, I know. Check this out. Check this bad boy out. Oh my God. Playtime or what? What's going to happen when I get home with the kids? They're going to be like wanting fidget spin my nail. Boom, 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 boom. I love it. I think it's pretty darn amazing. Oh my God, you could just sit and spin that. Look at that. Yeah, I'm just spinning.
All right, let's finish, and then you can spin it all you want.
Ooh.
You just nearly rip your hair out. Is that like that girl with the drill?
Oh, I better not get close to my hair. I'm amazed. I'm absolutely amazed.
Told you the oil would be good.
Oh my God, I'm amazed. There you are. I hope you've enjoyed that video because I tell you what, I think this is just amazing. You need one in your life. Make yourself one. Sit and play forever and ever until eventually it may fall off. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. All the products that I've used today will be listed below. As always, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
I can't wait for that to fall off. Because if there wasn't enough things that distract you and stop you working, you've now got that.
Oh, I love it.